In this video, I'm going to go uncensored. I'm going to say it the way it is in my mind. I have some friends who are Fulanis, but before making this video, I called one of them. I told him that right now, I believe that every Fulani people in Nigeria, the percentage of 80 to 85% are terrorists or are supporting terrorists. He was a little bit angry, like he didn't like that my call. But I'm a kind of person that like to tell you something to your face. And why am I saying it? We are talking about the issue of Sunday Igboho and what is going on in the Southwest. That Sunday Igboho, for the last time, he's now standing up for his people to do something about what is going on. Now, imagine, in fact, you can see it, most of the Nigerian newspapers are reporting it. Look at it now in the Vanguard. Fulani group urges Tinubu Makinde to call Sunday Igboho to order. You understand? We got this before this newspaper started publishing it, that some Fulani groups, many of them are now angry with Sunday Igboho. Why will you fight Fulani people who are kidnapping the Yorubas? Why will you come and challenge the Fulanis who are kidnapping the Yorubas? So in this video, I am not going to, hold back so many things. There is a particular question I want people to answer about the confrontation of Sunday Igboho and the Fulani group that led to the releasing of people in the bush. So stay with me in this video. Let's go into it. Sunday evening, the 21st day of June is today, 2026. Good evening, everyone. I want to analyze what has been happening about the confrontation by Sunday Igboho with the Fulani people who have been kidnapping their own people. The thing has been trending on the internet space, but I see that there is something a lot of people have been missing. There is something a lot of people have been missing. And in this video, I'm going to analyze what I saw in that confrontation, what I see about the whole scenario that took place. Now, let me go straight to the point. It started by the video that we saw where Chief Sunday Igboho went to the palace to confront the Fulani empire there, telling them that I am giving you people 2 hours ultimatum. You see me, I did not come here with any arm, I did not come with anything. I'm just here to give 2 hours ultimatum. That within 2 hours, my people who were kidnapped are not released, that I am going to deal with you people. I am going to deal with you people. Because when Sunday Igboho was talking, I was saying enough is enough. No matter how you try to compromise, keep quiet and play along, there is a way they will push you to, then they will bring out that beast in you. So Sunday Igboho, after giving them ultimatum, it happened that even before that 2 hours, the people they kidnapped were released. Now, the first thing I saw there, and it's a question I want to put forth for all of you watching. The first question is, the terrorists in the bush, how do they get the message if they are not in contact with the palace or the chiefs or the Fulani people? I'm going to somewhere. When Sunday Igboho was talking with these people, he left. 30 minutes he left. Call has been made, communication concluded, everything done. Swift. And within 1 hour and some minutes, these people, they have started making calls that they are free. I want to ask again, and I want you to think about what I am asking. The question I'm putting forth is, who now who tell the kidnappers in the bush? Who tell them that there is an ultimatum that was given to the people in the palace? It is not a random people. It is not maybe the victims' relations that told them. No. It was from the same Fulani people. So I'm trying to establish that there is a communication synergy between the Fulanis you are seeing, both their palace, both their emir, both their kings. There is a synergy between these people and the people in the bush. You might say I am wrong, no problem. But before you say I'm wrong, I want you to dispute me. I want you to dispute what I'm saying. I want you to tell me that what I'm saying, this is where you get it wrong. That after talking to people in the palace, waiting 1 hour something, do you know that If you even send police that some people were kidnapped, police will tell you that there is no network to track these people in the bush, or there will be excuses. But call was placed within 30 minutes. They got the communication within 30 minutes. There is nothing you will tell me that those people in the pandas, that they don't have communication with people in the bush. This is security. We understand what plays there. Who sent the message? Another thing I want you to understand is this. I have never seen Fulani political figures like Atiku, Nuhu Rebadu, and these people condemning the atrocities of the Fulani militias called bandits. They have never condemned these people. Now, this is what I mean. Before you will start showing me their social media posts where they are condemning it. Anytime Atiku want to condemn what is going on, Atiku will now frame it to be a political something. Oh, Tinubu administration has failed. We know that they have failed. That is not what we want from you. Your people are killing Nigerians, are killing every tribe in Nigeria. So only thing you have to tell us is Tinubu is weak. We know that Tinubu is weak. We know that APC administration, they are colluding. They support these people. Atiku, you are still part of the coalition that imported these terrorists. You are still part of the coalition. Kawu Baraje said you people imported these terrorists. And Kawu Baraje was the secretary to this coalition that time. So we know what played out. So have you ever seen Atiku saying what my people are doing is not good, they should stop? Have you ever seen that? Have you ever seen Nuhu Rebadu doing the same thing? The only thing I see that Nuhu Rebadu did was to arm Bororo Fulanis, that the military, Nigerian military arrested them in Kwara with AK-47, bloody civilians, AK-47. They said Rebadu armed them. Up to today, nobody hears nothing about them. Nobody hears nothing about them. You see this thing that Sunday Igboho is doing now? I am clapping for him. I'm clapping for him because this is not talking. This is showing capacity. This is bringing back the beast in you to protect your people. This is not protest. This is doing something at the right time. A lot of people may criticize, and a lot of people may say all sort of things. Like me, if I see when you do something wrong, I will be the first person I criticize you. You understand? I criticize people's policy, people's idea that is affecting people. And when I see when someone is doing what is right, I am also the first person to always clap. And what most people do ask me is, Okocha, I only see few of your videos praising either Nigerian army or their troops when they kill all these terrorists. If you do 100 videos about insecurity, you will only do 3 videos about Nigerian army killing them. Why is it that you don't do more videos about Nigerian soldiers killing the terrorists? What I do answer them privately is this. Number one, most of the killings are not true. Most of them are true. Then, how will I come out to praise something I don't know? Remember that before I publish any video, before I publish or film any video, I have proof of what I'm saying. So most of the time, I have seen where Nigerian military, they'll post something on their Facebook. If I go and do investigation, it's false. I have proved them there. I have challenge. You understand? And most of the time, if they ambush Nigerian soldiers or do all those things, Nigerian soldiers have never reported about their internal intel that is making their movement to Boko Haram. And you can't have Boko Haram, informants working with the army and they are killing you. That is not, I'm not going to say anything that would demoralize people, because the genuine soldiers, I understand what they are feeling at the war front. I appreciate their sacrifice. But you see, Nigerian system have been infiltrated by terrorists. Nigerian system, body, everything has been infiltrated by the terrorists. So I pity people who are genuine, who are still in the army, who are still in the police. I pity them. People don't understand. I pity them. That is why what everyone wants at this moment, the only thing you need now, it is your people to protect you. Like protect yourself, community by community. That is what we need. And that is why I said, I like what Sunday Igboho is doing now. If you have been following me, I have been advocating for a gun revolution. I have been saying that everybody should buy a gun. And now I'm not saying it because I'm exempted. I bought my own. That is getting to 3 years ago now. I did not wait for someone to come and tell me before I went to, before I went to buy my gun. I did not wait for someone to come and tell me to join vigilante group or the National Hunters, all those security outfits that you can actually join and you will have free access to legalize your gun. Everything will just be free for you. I do not wait for anybody to come and tell me. I do it because I know it is necessary. So that is why I'm saying that community by community, from people to people, the only security you need now is yourself. You just need yourself.